video we are going to solve the design HashSet problem. So what is the problem here? So we have to design a HashSet without using built-in hash table libraries. So we have to implement three functions. First one is add value. So we have to insert a value into the HashSet. The second function is contains value. So if the value is contained, then we have to return true. The third function is we have to remove the value if it is present. Let's see. We will do this in Python. So we have to first fill the init function. Let's make a table self.setTable. So we have created an array of set table. Now we will implement the add function. So we will add the key to the set table. If self.contains key, so we append the key to the table here. Now we implement the remove function. So in the remove function, if the key is present, then we will remove it. So let's try this. Try. So we remove the key. So if it is not present, then we will pass it. Then we will not do anything. So now the third function is if the key is present in the table, then we will say it is present. We will return true. If key is present in set table, then we will return true. Let's run the code. So there is a runtime error. I think something I have done wrong. Yeah, let's see. Self table. Yeah, here I have defined to set. Yeah. So if it is the add function, we have to add the key. Yeah, so it is. Now let's submit it. Yeah, so it got accepted. So this is the program to design a HashSet. We can also do it in different ways. So it takes around time complexity of order of n. We can also do it in order of 1, but the space complexity will be order of n. So let's see another method to do this. Now let's see most basic methods of bucket method. So first we have to initialize the number of buckets. Self dot with a variables number. Let's initialize it to be 10,000. Then we have to define the bucket. We are taking an empty array. So we are taking an empty array of 10,000 spaces. So let's move into the add function. So if the key is not present in the bucket, then we will add the key. So before going to the add function, we have to define the hash function. So we will create our own hash function. Which self and a key will be given. It's a very basic method. If we find the key, then we will put it. If we will not find the key, then we will give key divided by self.number number of buckets. So it is called load factor. Let's move into the add function. If the key is not present, then we will add the key. Let's make the I. Let's call the hash function. If the key is not present, if it's not present in the bucket, then we will add the key. Append is used to add the key. So this is the add function. Then we will remove the key. Let's call the hash function first. Self dot if the key is present in the bucket, then we will remove it. So this is the function for removing the key. Now the next function is to check if the key is present or not. First we have to call the hash function. This is the user defined hash function. If the key is present in hash function in the bucket, so if the key is present, then we will return true. If it is not, then it will automatically return false, or we can specify here also. I hope this video helps. Thanks. So we can run also the code. Yeah, we got some runtime error. Yeah, some way I have written bucket, so it should be buckets. Yeah, here is buckets. Yeah, it is running well. I hope this video helps. Thanks.